Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to create a group in Instagram. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and tap on the message icon available in the top right corner of the home screen. After that, tap on the pencil icon available in the top right corner again. Then choose the users you want to add to the group chat by typing their names in the search bar or selecting them from your list of contacts. So you can choose as many group members you want. So once you have selected all the participants you want in your group, tap on the create chat option available in the blue highlights in the below. So you can give your group chat a name by tapping on the name group option and entering a name for the group as well. So once you have created the group, you can start chatting with the participants by sending messages, photos, videos, or other content just like in a regular chat. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.